Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're gonna start off with a brief introduction to HTML, then we're gonna move on to set up our environment. So let's get started. First thing you need to know that HTML is so easy to learn. Most people learn it in 1 week or 2. Second, HTML is fundamental. You cannot be a web developer without learning HTML. To work with HTML, we're gonna use VS Code or Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code, you need to Google VS Code. Next, we're gonna select the first link, and here you have a selection between different operating systems, and just select, and we're gonna see that a file just started downloading, and the installation of VS Code is so simple. Now I have VS Code open here. This is our home page. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select file, open folder. Here in desktop, I'm gonna create a folder and call it HTML intro. Select file, and here to our left there is a plus button. Select it, and here we're gonna call it index.html. And that's how we created our first file. Next time we're gonna see our basic HTML file, basic HTML page. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.